You think copying is only for beginners or for people who don't have their own ideas yet. But if you copy the right way, you are not stealing an image, you are training your eye to understand the decision behind it. So for the next 7 days I copy Marino Marini and show you how to turn his visual logic into something that belongs to you. Let's start immediately. Take a pen and some paper and trace this silhouette. Let your hand learn what your eye cannot explain yet and follow the outer shape before your mind starts judging it. Don't correct it too early, don't try to make it beautiful. Just experience what happens. There's almost no detail here. The horse and the rider are not anatomically correct, and still you see it immediately, a horse and a rider. This drawing gives you just enough information and your eye completes the rest, because this is a real shift. You are not copying to make a perfect version, you are copying to understand the artist's logic. Now let's change the material. Take a brush, some white paint and a sheet of colored paper. Paint the rider with quick unfinished lines. Use broad brush strokes for the horse. Treat the white paper as color, not as empty paper. Work quickly, leave things unfinished, and if your first thought was, that looks so simple, a child could paint it, you probably discover something very different. The moment you try it yourself, you realize how carefully every brush stroke is placed. Have you ever painted on colored paper before, or used white as a foreground color instead of a background? If not, try it later with one of your own subjects. Now let's simplify even further. Draw the horse and rider, using only circles, triangles and rectangles. Fill some shapes with black, leave other completely open. Notice how little information you actually need. Does it feel naturally or completely unfamiliar? Don't polish it. Stop as soon as you've understood the basic idea, because you are not practicing geometry. You are learning to think in structure. Now for the last exercise, take a bright colored sheet of paper. Use only red, yellow, blue, black and white. No mixed colors, no subtle transitions. At first it looks wild, almost random, but the moment you try it yourself, you'll notice something surprising. Nothing is random. Everything is carefully balanced. Be bold, be playful, take risks. That is the real purpose of copying, not to make better copies, but to understand the artist's logic through your own body. That kind of understanding is worth far more than any dry exercise in composition or color theory. Now take everything you've learned and forgot the horse and the rider. Choose your own subject. A tree, a dog, the view outside of your window. Keep Marini's way of thinking, but let the image become yours. Start playing, leave the rules behind. Respond to what appears on the paper. That is where your own artistic voice begins. If you're thinking, I'd love to try it, but I don't really know how to start, download my free drawing guide. It will help you to begin without pressure and without worrying about perfect results. And if you'd like to experience a complete 7-day process with me, join me on Patreon. I will lead you through the whole week with easy prompts to follow. And one important thing, don't throw away the drawings you dislike. Very often those are the most interesting ones. You are usually looking at the mistakes, while completely overlooking the parts where something alive has appeared. Other people notice those moments before you do, and that's why we have a Fail Friday inside this community. We share the drawings we almost threw away. Those failed drawings turn out to contain sometimes the strongest idea. Failure isn't failure, it's information. And one last thing. Lay out everything you made, look at it with fresh eyes, then choose one drawing and copy your own work. But change one thing: the size, the material, the composition, the colors. And notice how one single change shifts the entire image. That's how you begin to understand what every artistic decision actually does. And on day 7, do almost nothing. Make it your lazy Sunday. Doodle, play, draw without a goal, like a child, because that's the state we are trying to return to. The place where drawing stops feeling like work and starts feeling like discovery. And if you'd like to see how the same method works with a cat, watch this next video.